A Girl and the Three Bears. In a cozy forest cottage lived the three bears. While their porridge cooled, they went for a walk. A curious girl found their empty home and wandered inside. She tasted the bears' porridge, finding Papa's too hot and Mama's too cold. She ate all of Baby Bear's, declaring it perfect. Tired, she tried the chairs. Baby Bear's tiny chair broke under her. Upstairs, she found Baby Bear's bed and fell fast asleep. The bears returned to find a mess. They discovered there a curious girl in Baby Bear's bed. She woke with a fright and leaped up. As she dashed past, Mama Bear reached out but stumbled, injuring her paw. The curious girl fled, her heart pounding. She learned a vital lesson: to always respect the property and privacy of others, and never to enter a home uninvited.